What is up, everyone? This is Review It. I'm James.
And I'm Kelly.
And today we're doing movie recommendations.
Woo!
Now, if you're one who takes part in the online movie streaming services, you'll probably come across these movies. So we're going to tell you movies that we liked, three that we didn't like, that we have found over the month of January. And this will be monthly, so at the end of every month, we will come back and we will talk about the things we found on these services.
All right.
So we're going to go back and forth. So I'll start and say one movie that is really good is End of Watch. Now, this is directed by Peter Berg, who also did The Lone Survivor. It's one of those cop movies, but it's very dramatic and it has a very tear-jerker ending that will really keep you into it throughout the whole movie.
Alright, I have a lot of movies that you've never really heard of, but they're really good. My first one is Street Dance. If you're one of those people that like the Step Up franchise, which I love dance movies, so I think these are really good. Street Dance is another one of those movies. It's not part of Step Up, it's its own franchise, but this one is just really good.
Alright, so my next one is Who Framed Roger Rabbit. This movie came out in the 80s or 90s, I believe, but it is a movie that I watched a lot when I was younger. It's one of the best movies that managed to merge live action and cartoons together. It's hilarious. It is a very interesting storyline, and it's not very aimed towards kids, believe it or not. It's a very good movie, and you should definitely check it out if you find it.
The next one I have is called Keith. This movie is basically about a boy that does have a deadly disease. And he meets a girl. He's kind of a loner in school, and you kind of go through their story. This is based off of a short story in a literature book. I actually read it for an English class. Really just oddly good movie. I was surprised by this one.
The last one is a chick flick. Yes, I'll admit my girlfriend made me watch this closer last year sometime, and it is a good Christmas movie. It is called Love Actually. If you've seen this movie before, you know that it has a big cast, and really this was one of those first movies to really bring in those wide casts. Yet this is better than Valentine's Day or New Year's Eve. This is actually a pretty good movie considering its large cast. And hey, Andrew Lincoln from The Walking Dead is in it, so if you're a Walking Dead fan, go check it out.
Alright, my last one is actually a horror movie. It's called Hunger. And basically what you have is like 7 or 8 people locked in a cellar for days just so this crazy psycho could watch what hunger actually does to these people. Really creepy, suspenseful movie, so I thought that one was pretty good.
Alright, now we're going to move to the bad parts of these services. These are the movies that you should avoid, and yeah, they're
Just
terrible.
don't waste your time.
So, my first one, if you have followed me on Twitter, you will know how much I hate this movie. Texas Chainsaw 3D, and it's not 3D, it's just Texas Chainsaw, which is the dumbest title ever. This movie is horrible, and if you see our Flashback Friday, you will understand why.
Okay, my first don't is the movie Hick. This movie is just really stupid. It's pretty much a Hick-filled, young, just bad movie. Just don't waste your time on it.
Even though Chloe Grace is in it.
It's still really bad, trust me.
Calls me out. Okay, my next don't is, I hate talking about this movie. Movie 43. Yeah, it's on these services. You just don't, please, don't.
Alright, my next one is Paranormal Activity 4. Oh, just this one just takes a turn for the worse, so just don't waste your time on this one either.
Series wasn't necessarily great before 4, but
Gosh.
yeah. So my final don't is Safe Haven. I know you don't agree with this.
Yes, I don't agree with this
But
one.
I hate these Nicholas Sparks movies. I can't stand them. I mean, they are right up there with Twilight for most unbelievable romance stories I've ever heard. Safe Haven is an abomination of a chick flick.
Well, if you like chick flicks and you like Twilight, ignore that one. My last one that I just really did not like is The Devil Inside. Oh, this is another found footage movie from January. Enough said.
Yeah.
Don't watch it.
I'm gonna skip it. Alright everyone, that is it for our movie recommendations. If you have seen some movies on these streaming services, let us know in the comments below. Tell us what you like, what you didn't like, what you think people should see, what you think people shouldn't see.
What should we watch? We
Yeah.
haven't watched all of them. We would
Yeah.
love to watch some suggestions from you guys.
Yeah, and this is a monthly series, so you can expect we're going to keep seeing a lot of different things, and we'd love to hear your suggestions.
Alright.
Alright, so that's it for us today. This is Review It. I'm James.
I'm Kelly.
See you next time.